Hello everybody. Solving MCQs for utility theory is really tricky job, and I'm going to let you know the trick you can use to solve MCQs relevant to utility theory. And I have this question number 1, and it is the table shows marginal utility derived by a consumer who devotes the whole income of $32 to two goods X and Y, whose prices are 2 and 4 respectively. Mean the price of X good is $2 and price of Y good is $4. And marginal utilities of X and Y against each unit are also given in this table. And furthermore, you can see that question is saying that in order to maximize his utility, which quantities of X and Y should the consumer purchase? And keep in mind one important thing, utility maximization rule is that marginal utility of X divided by price of X must be equal to marginal utility of Y over price of Y. There can be more than two goods, and there can be any two goods X, Y, and they can be A, B, they can be apples and bananas, shoes and butter, anything. The X and Y are two goods just. So we know the marginal utilities of X. So these are marginal utilities of X. We know the price of X, that is $2. So for satisfaction of this equation, we have to now divide marginal utilities by price. So marginal utility of X on first unit is 9. So 9 divided by 2 will give us 4.5. So marginal utilities of X are already given, and we know the price of X, that is $2. So marginal utility of X divided by price of X, like 9 over 2 will give us 4.5 is equal to 4.5, and 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4, 7 divided by 2 is 3.5, and 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3, and 5 divided by 2 is equal to 2.5, and then 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2, 3 divided by 2 is equal to 1.5, and 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. So now we have marginal utilities, values of marginal utility of X divided by price of X. And we need to find marginal utility of Y divided by price of Y as well. We know marginal utilities are given here, and price of Y is $4. So 24 over 4 will give us 7. 26 divided by 4 will give us 6.5. 24 divided by 4 will give us 6, and then 22 divided by 4 will give us 22 divided by 4 is equal to 5.5. 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. 18 divided by 4 is equal to 4.5, and 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. 14 divided by 4 is equal to 3.5. So these are multiple values of marginal utility of X. So these are different values of marginal utility of X and Y divided by their respective prices. So now we have to satisfy this condition. So marginal utility of X divided by price of X is equal to marginal utility of Y divided by price of Y when we consume 2 units of X good. Marginal utility of X over price of X is equal to 4. And when we consume 7 units of Y good on 7th unit of Y good, again marginal utility of Y divided by price of Y is equal to 4. So 4 is equal to 4. So the condition of utility maximization law is satisfied here. So consumer will be maximizing utility when he is consuming 2 units of X good, that is 2 units of X good and 7 units of Y good, and this is 7th unit, and his utility is maximized here.